This is a performance test of the HC280AE2 silent oil-free vacuum pump. The voltage is 220 volts, 50 Hz, with stable rated voltage drive. The current is 0.86 amps, and the power is 140 watts. The measured flow rate reaches 50 liters per minute, far exceeding the specifications. Next, the vibration meter probe was positioned for testing, and the measured displacement acceleration was 6.7 to 7.2 millimeters per second, far below the specification limit of 10 millimeters per second. Subsequently, a vacuum test was conducted, and the measured value was negative 99.5 kilopascals. Finally, a noise test was performed. With the compressor and the testing instrument at a vertical distance of 1 meter, the measured noise was only 49.5 decibels, demonstrating excellent silent operation. With its powerful performance and silent operation advantages, it can be widely used in CNC suction cups, robotic arm suction cups, dental porcelain furnaces, beauty equipment, medical suction machines, filling machines, and other products.